At Swanndri, we always pride ourselves in creating high-quality, durable apparel, but we understand that even the best gear can experience wear and tear over time. That's why we've introduced our wool repair patch. It's a simple yet effective way to fix those inevitable holes or tears. The wool repair patch comes attached to the swing tag of every jacket in our Winter 25 range. So please don't throw it away. Drop it into your pocket, and when you need it, just pull it back out. Each fabric matches the jacket, so it's a perfect match. So once applied, it blends seamlessly with your garment, restoring its look and functionality. Here we have a man's Ranger jacket that has gotten snagged on some barbed wire. Lucy here is going to repair it for us. Using the repair patch is straightforward. All you need is a needle, some durable thread, and a pair of scissors. Or if you prefer, you can use a sewing machine. If you're sewing by hand, cut to size, making sure that you've got space around the hole. Pin it in place. Thread the needle, making sure that you've knotted the thread at the end. Anchor the stitches. Stitch around the patch. Tie it off in a knot. And away you go. If you're sewing by machine, cut to size, making sure that you've got room around the hole. Pin it in place, thread the machine, set the machine on a zigzag stitch setting. Start with a back stitch, zigzag around the square, finish with a back stitch, and away you go. By offering an easy repair option, we're not just extending the life of our garment, we're reinforcing our brand's promise that Swanndri is engineered for generations and built to endure.